artificial intelligence, AI, has made remarkable strides in recent years, reshaping industries, influencing daily life and even sparking discussions about its ethical implications. As we peer into the future, the trajectory of AI is poised to bring about unprecedented changes across various domains. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the multifaceted landscape of AI's future, from its technological advancements to its societal, ethical, and economic implications. Step 1. Technological advancements. Advancements in machine learning. Machine learning, a subset of AI, will continue to evolve. We can anticipate more efficient algorithms and models, resulting in AI systems that require less data for training and can generalize better across diverse tasks. Explainable AI, XAI, will gain prominence, enabling humans to better understand AI decisions, fostering trust and accountability. Quantum computing. Quantum computing holds immense potential for AI. Quantum processors can handle complex AI computations at an unparalleled speed, facilitating breakthroughs in optimization problems, drug discovery, and more. However, the full integration of quantum AI remains a formidable challenge. Neuromorphic computing. Inspired by the human brain, neuromorphic computing is on the horizon. This technology mimics neural network structure, leading to energy-efficient AI systems capable of real-time learning and decision-making. Neuromorphic chips are likely to find applications in robotics, IoT devices, and autonomous vehicles. Natural language processing, NLP models, such as GPT-3, will become more refined, with AI systems gaining a deeper understanding of context and emotions in human language. The convergence of NLP with other AI technologies will drive advancements in chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated content generation. AI in healthcare. AI will revolutionize healthcare by aiding in early disease detection, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. We can expect AI-driven medical devices, telemedicine platforms, and AI-assisted surgeries to become commonplace, improving healthcare accessibility and quality. Step 2. Societal implications. Automation and job displacement. The rise of AI-powered automation will continue to reshape the job market. While some jobs will be automated, new opportunities will emerge in AI-related fields, necessitating reskilling and upskilling efforts. Policymakers must focus on creating a balanced transition to prevent significant job displacement. AI ethics and bias. Ethical concerns surrounding AI will intensify. Strides in fairness, transparency, and accountability will be made to mitigate algorithmic biases. Regulations and standards for AI ethics will be implemented, emphasizing the responsible development and deployment of AI systems. Privacy concerns. The proliferation of AI in daily life will raise privacy concerns. Stricter data protection laws and enhanced cybersecurity measures will be crucial to safeguard individual sensitive information from misuse. AI in education. AI-driven personalized learning platforms will become more prevalent, offering tailored educational experiences. However, concerns about data privacy and ensuring equitable access to AI-driven education tools must be addressed. AI and creativity. AI-generated art, music, and literature will challenge traditional definitions of creativity. The intersection of AI and creativity will spark debates about the authenticity of AI-generated content and the role of humans in creative processes. Step 3. Economic impact. Productivity enhancement. AI will boost productivity across industries, leading to economic growth. Automation will reduce operational costs, while predictive analytics will optimize supply chains and resource allocation. New business models. AI will foster the emergence of new business models, such as AI as a service, AIaaS, where companies can access AI capabilities without heavy upfront investments. These models will democratize AI adoption, benefiting startups and small enterprises. AI and healthcare costs. Although AI will improve healthcare outcomes, it may also contribute to rising healthcare costs due to the expense of implementing AI-driven technologies. Policymakers will need to strike a balance between innovation and affordability. AI in finance. AI will play a pivotal role in the financial sector, enhancing risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment strategies. However, regulatory frameworks must evolve to address the challenges posed by algorithmic trading and robo-advisors. Step 4. Ethical considerations. AI and autonomy. the development of autonomous AI systems raises questions about accountability in case of system failures. Establishing ethical guidelines for AI autonomy, especially in areas like autonomous vehicles and drones, will be imperative. AI in warfare. The use of AI in military applications, including autonomous weapons, is a contentious ethical issue. International agreements and regulations will need to be established to govern the use of AI in warfare and prevent potential catastrophic consequences. AI and privacy. As AI systems become more capable of analyzing personal data, the ethical use of this information becomes paramount. Stricter privacy regulations, consent mechanisms, and data ownership frameworks will be crucial to protect individuals' privacy. AI and bias mitigation. Efforts to combat AI biases will intensify. Researchers, developers, and policymakers will work together to ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable, reducing the potential for discriminatory outcomes. The future of artificial intelligence is a complex tapestry woven with technological advancements, societal implications, economic impact, and ethical considerations. While AI holds immense promise, it also presents challenges that must be navigated carefully to ensure a positive AI future. Stakeholders from governments, industries, academia, and civil society must collaborate to shape AI's trajectory in ways that benefit humanity, respect ethics, and uphold our values. As AI continues to evolve, staying informed and engaged in the discussions surrounding its future will be essential for all of us. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.